Welcome to the Spend Wise Moms channel, your homemaking resource hub. I love to organize. It makes me feel so happy to see things clean and organized and get rid of stuff that we no longer need. I decided to clean out the linen closet yesterday. We've had a lot of company all summer and things just got shoved in the closet and I gave up trying to keep it clean. First, I took everything out of the closet and put it on a bed and tried to put like items together. Next, I cleaned all of the shelves. With the closet empty, it was also easy to vacuum. I started with the easiest shelf, the tablecloths. I kept all three since the colors cover all of the holidays. I had to refold one. That was easy. Next, I did the towels because they were easy too. I got rid of a couple of towels and put the rest on a lower shelf that was easier to get to. My towels are old and I need to replace them, but I'm not going to do that right now. I'll keep 6 extra towels total, 2 for each bathroom. The sheets were the worst, so I saved them for last. I had some blankets in a plastic bag and put them in first. I put 2 other coverlets on top of them. Then I folded the rest of the blankets to go in the closet and put them on the lowest shelf. Some blankets were relocated to other areas of the house now that it's winter. I'm also going to donate some of the blankets and mattress pads. Last, I went through the sheets. I kept 1 extra sheet for each size of bed that we have in the house. I kept a few extra pillowcases. Well, maybe more than a few. I could have let a few more go. It looks better and is easier to get the linens when I need them. What does your linen closet look like? Maybe you can find 15 minutes to clean it out. If you do a little at a time, your home can be clean and clutter-free for the holidays. Thanks for watching the Spend Wise Moms channel. Please subscribe for more videos just like this.